Truck YouTube channel.
Okay.
Monster Truck the YouTube channel. This is made with
Who's that?
made with the illusion. Hi friends, this is Microwave. Today there's a lamp right there. Jesse, this is the new Monster Truck Bluefield. And today it goes boom, boom, boom. Yeah.
Nice.
And it sounds like today is Christmas. And today is Christmas bar. And today is for Christmas.
Okay, Alex, can you show us how you do the trucks?
Yeah, see? But this is gorgeous. Okay, let's do back flip. Oh, he
Hi,
made
Alex.
it. Beep, beep, beep.
Okay, bye, kids.
Bye, kids. Wait, kids. Look what I got. Look, he flipped over this. Yeah, I know. See, but this is, these are new best punch ones. But these are new best, but these are new. Hey, where is Vespa? I'm right here. Okay, they're the same tires. And they're the same tires as this. If you don't get these are the same tires. And these are two wheels and white wheel. That's what I call it. Yeah, see, but this is Megalodon, but he's a baby shark, and he loves to do tricks. Watch. And he loves to do tricks. But he loves to do tricks. Yes, you know what? Don't smash. But he don't smash. But he don't smash.
Okay, bye, friends.
Bye, friends. Bye, friends.
Say subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Bye.